So this is a 2012 Prius C brake light assembly. And this is what's behind your brake light. You can't just simply change it like a bulb, as you can see. It's a whole assembly like this on a somewhat kind of a circuit board. And you pull it out, you take out that little center screw. It's in there really hard. You gotta get a big pair of channel locks and you have to wobble it a little bit. Go from one side to the other side. You'll think it's glued in there, but it's not. It's just sealed in with this rubber O-ring that doesn't want to come out. So what you'll have to do to upgrade this is you'll have to remove, these are 1/4 watt. Each one of these, 1/4 watt, 1/4 watt, 1/4 watt, 1 watt of red brake light power. So they're not very bright. The old Priuses, if you've ever driven behind one compared to modern day cars, you can barely see these lights from a distance or in fog. So what I got is I got some CREED, C-R-E-E-D 5 watt LEDs, and I will have to either unsolder this or drill out, I think they might even be spot welds, I'm not 100% sure yet, but remove these 1/4 watt LEDs and replace them with 5 watt LEDs. Now, I might be over wattage. These are voltage drop resistors here, and I might have to replace them with higher wattage ones, but that's not my concern right now. It's just proof of concept, getting it up there, and put in 5 watts in place of 1/4 watts. So instead of having a total of 1 watt of bright red LEDs, you will have 20 watts of bright red LEDs. When you step on your brake lights, the people behind you will actually know that you stepped on your brake lights. If you ever seen the person behind you who's looking down at their cell phone, it's nighttime, you step on their lights and either they've hit you or they've almost hit you because you did not get their attention. I guarantee you, when you put 20 watts of high output CREED lights in here, LEDs, even if they're looking down at their cell phone, they'll think a fire truck has just stopped or pulled up in front of them. You will be bright. So that'll be a future video coming up sometime in the future.